job that pays well and provides security? Well, we have curated a list of some such jobs for you. Park Hospitals is seeking senior consultants who are doctors of repute with their own private practice for their Faridabad location. The available positions are in the departments of gastroenterology, nephrology, neurology, neurosurgery and internal medicine. Interested candidates are requested to share their CVs at job@parkhospital.in for a personal discussion scheduled on July 21st from 8 am to 3 pm at Park Tower. SDGI Global University invites applications for professors, associate professors and assistant professors in various streams including hotel management, computer applications, pharmacy, biotechnology, botany, aptitude, history and political science. Eligibility criteria are as per UGC norms and preference will be given to candidates with relevant experience. A residential facility is also available. Interested candidates may apply with a detailed resume sent within 7 days to hr@sgu.edu.in. Gujarat Industries Power Company Limited, also GIPCL, is inviting applications for various positions including assistant, assistant manager, supervisor, mechanical engineer and civil engineer. For more details and to apply online, please visit their website at www.gipcl.com. IIST, IIP and IIMR are hiring for various academic positions including principal, professor, associate professor and assistant professor across their respective institutes. Positions are available in departments such as science and technology, pharmacy and management and research, each with varying eligibility criteria. Now, non-teaching positions are also available including administrative officer, corporate relations officer, graphic designer, yoga instructor, bus mechanic, CCTV technicians and more. Interested candidates are encouraged to apply within 10 days. Now, for detailed information, please visit their website at www.indoreinstitute.com. Delhi Public School Ghaziabad Society is currently hiring fresh university postgraduates in various subjects including physics, chemistry, maths, biology, accountancy, economics and business studies. Eligible candidates should demonstrate consistent high achievement from class 12th through post-graduation, possess proficiency in English language and have a passion for education. The annual package offered is 6 lakh per annum or more. For details, please visit their website at www.dpsgs.org. Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited is recruiting for various positions including additional general manager in information technology and human resource, deputy general manager, manager and deputy manager across various disciplines. Detailed information regarding qualifications, experience, requirements, compensation packages and more can be found on their official website at www.seci.co.in. Any further updates will be posted exclusively in the career section of their website. Online registration opens on July 29 and closes on August 28, 2024. ITI Limited is currently accepting applications for various positions including additional general manager, deputy general manager, chief manager, manager and deputy manager. Interested candidates should submit their applications before the deadline of August 29, 2024. For detailed information about each position, including eligibility criteria and how to apply, please visit the career page on ITI Limited's official website at www.itiltd.in. Delhi Public School Udaipur is inviting applications for various positions including headmistress, PGTs, PGTs and coordinator and administrative staff. The school offers a competitive salary package with no bar for deserving candidates. Now, interested individuals are requested to send their updated CV along with a recent photograph at jobs@dpsudaipur.com within 7 days of the advertisement's publication. So that wraps up today's updates, but worry not, we'll be keeping you in loop with more notifications, ensuring you stay ahead and never miss a career opportunity. If you've enjoyed today's content, don't hesitate to hit that like button, share with friends and subscribe to stay tuned for more updates on career opportunities. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching Rhythm.